Ever wondered how to peek behind the curtain and see the SMS messages your Twilio account is handling? First, head over to Twilio.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Twilio console. Look for the messaging section in the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. Under the messaging menu, find and click on Logs. This will take you to the Message Logs page. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the SMS messages your Twilio account has processed, both sent and received. Click on any message entry to expand it and view detailed information, including the sender's number, the recipient's number, the message body, the timestamp, and other useful data for troubleshooting or analysis. You can filter the logs by date, phone number, or message status to narrow down your search and quickly find the messages you're looking for. Need to keep a record? You can also export your message logs as a CSV file for further analysis or reporting. Simply click the Export button. Alternatively, for developers, you can access these message logs programmatically using the Twilio API, allowing you to integrate message history into your applications.